Hello from Dhaka, Bangladesh, guys. So as I told you in the last video already, I arrived in Dhaka, Bangladesh, and I wanted to give you also a little room tour of the place where I'm staying. That you get an idea what is actually available here in Dhaka. The place where I'm staying is the Pan Pacific Sonargaon Gaon, something like that. Pan Pacific. So let's start with the room tour. For me, it's absolutely okay. I have to say already, the people who are working here are really very, very friendly. Every single one, from the cleaners to the staff at the restaurant, reception, the security guards. So really very friendly people here, I have to say. So okay, let's start with the room tour. This is the entrance door. So maybe I can show you how huge it actually is. So this is all the hallway. Here then my room number if you want to visit me. By the time you see that, I'm gone already. So you coming inside, on your left you will find the bathroom, with a toilet, a sink, mirror, hair dryer, a telephone for emergency, and then they provide also a lot of extras here free of charge. Towels are provided here. No butt guns like I used to have in Thailand. Then a shower. Good, and then we turning to the right. There is a cupboard situation. I think they provide that one here, and then the minibar. We will come to that one later again, because that might be interesting for you as well to know. And then safety deposit box, then some cups, hot water complimentary, and you can make coffee, tea. That one is free of charge. The snacks actually also belong to the minibar. Some slippers if you need more. In case you are more people, because I will show you that also soon. Here you can put your bag then. And then I give you maybe a quick turn around first. So aircon. And then actually that is the bed, very nice and comfy, a little bit too soft for myself, but not a big deal. And then a small table sitting situation, a desk and a chair, some fruits which are provided every day also free of charge, a TV. And then actually slippers, they provide you always one pair already in front of your bed. So in the cupboard are just some spares if you need more. So this is the place. So I need my phone because, like I told you, let's go back to the minibar. There are drinks inside, and especially interesting for you might be the beer situation. So I just put you here in the cupboard, so I have my hands free. So we are in a Muslim country. So it is beer available, but not as easy to get, like for example in Thailand or in Vietnam. So I will show you something now. By the way, I really like to use when I'm traveling an app what is called XE currency. That is really cool if you want to know what are the prices in your money, what you used to let's say US dollar. So you just can create a list of countries. So I added up Bangladesh, of course. And so now let's see, let's come to the interesting point. Yeah, so as you can see, here are the prices, yeah, in Dhaka, like they called it here in Bangladesh. Yeah, so phone locked again. So as you can see, the price for an imported beer, yeah, over there, yeah, they say it's 1,200 1,200 Dhaka. So I put that one now inside the converter, 1,200 Dhaka, and that beer will cost you then, make it easy, 14 US dollar. One can, 14 US dollar. Here, actually, they say now also already all prices are inclusive of 12%, 12.5% service charge. Yeah, so many places outside, yeah, they exclude. So $14 include the service charge and VAT already. Yeah, so that's a good deal. Not really, but yeah, it is like it is here, but no problem at all. Yeah, just to give you an idea. Yeah, how about yeah, the drinking prices for alcohol, even outside. It's not easy to find places where they're selling alcohol, because there's a special license we cry out now what, yeah, almost the people cannot afford. And on the other side, there are also, yeah, the Muslims here, which in the majority they also drinking no alcohol. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. That's my room. Yeah, that's good. Now I will make a short clip. Curtain is closed now already. Evening time. A short clip how it looked like then in the morning. Let's see what view I got. I think it will be not something very spectacular, no, but okay, doesn't matter. I'm anyway just here for sleep and shower. All the other time I will be outside anyway. But I have to say, I like this hotel. Yeah, the room is nice. Yeah, it's clean here. The staff is super friendly, what for me always is always a big plus if you, yeah, coming somewhere and you really feel welcome. So that is definitely the case here. So recommend this place if you ever in Dhaka. So I wish you all a great weekend, yeah, and then we see us very soon in the next one, guys. Take care and good night from Bangladesh. Bye bye, guys. Yeah, so and this is then, yeah, the view in the morning from my room. Yeah, nothing very spectacular, just buildings. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear the honking also outside. Yeah, there's definitely something to hear, but I have to say here inside the room everything is good, nothing and quiet.